Step 2. Record your audio. Most video recorders also record audio, but it can be hard to edit your work later if you use audio that is tied to a screen recording. For example, if a jackhammer goes off, or you make a mistake in the audio or video and want to cut one without removing the other. It makes it difficult to redo sections without redoing the whole thing. So instead, I record my video separate from my audio. You can use any recording tool you like. Some recording tools I recommend include Video Recorder on Windows and Voice Memos on a Mac. Really, anything will do the trick. You can even use Zoom, as it has a separate audio file to its video. I use Audacity. It can look a little intimidating, but it is free, and I can delete, add, or move sections of audio before exporting it as an MP3. Here is an example. I open Audacity. Click Record. Record a bunch of stuff. Welcome to this class on Tuesday. Welcome to this class on Tuesday. Click Stop. Listen to it and remove any bad bits or long pauses. You can use your mouse to select sections and click Delete, or move them by copying, cutting, and pasting. Welcome to this class on Tuesday. When you are ready, export the recording as an MP3. Saving it just saves it as an Audacity file. It won't be playable by other programs.